Hello mga kabeshi, so for today's video, tara at samahan nyo ako mag-unboxing ng ating photochromic eyeglasses. So finally mga kabeshi, ready na nating i-pick up ang ating new eyeglasses dito sa Otica Shawari dito sa Montever. So let's do the unboxing. So first, ang protection box, and then it has also a spray clean. So anytime pwede kong linisin with this piece of cloth. So mga kabeshi, i-open na natin ang ating new eyeglasses, photochromic, price 299 euros ang binayaran ko, and then into pesos it's 18,724. At meron nga pala siyang grado mga kabeshi, and of course mga kabeshi, it made in Italy, and I choose the glass frame is dark leopard o leopardo escuro. Alam nyo ba mga kabeshi na it has UV protection 100%, so it protects your eyes with the sunlight. So I can wear indoors and outdoors when in coming into contact to the sunlight. So madaling sabi, meron